Is your gut inflamed? Is your gut bloated? Do you feel like crap after you eat every meal and you're like, what's going on?
Or do you look 3 months pregnant after a meal?
And you might think like, well, I think I need some probiotics and some drinks and some pills and potions. And
we have the answer for you.
When was the answer ever in a pill or an injection? I mean, seriously.
It's not what you think. We have the answer for you. I hope you'll keep watching this video to find out.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
When your gut is inflamed, your body is not going to burn fat because you have a crisis in your gut. Your gut is responsible for so much. It's responsible for developing serotonin, which is your happy hormone, which is a hormone, right? So it's responsible for your hormones. If you're taking a GLP-1 agonist, you are basically paralyzing your gut, and it can't actually heal you from the inside out. And I'm just being really honest and like tender and quiet about this because it's very serious. If you really want to get to the root of why you're overweight, you absolutely have to address the root, which is the gut. We believe everything comes from the gut. If you want to heal your PCOS, you want to reverse your obesity naturally, it's going to be healing from the inside out. And you heal your hunger by looking at your gut. Now, when your gut is healing, then you're lowering your cortisol. What does cortisol do? Cortisol is a stress hormone, and it helps you to store fat. So you don't want your cortisol to be out of whack. You want your cortisol to be functioning properly. When you heal your gut, you also balance your hormones overall. You have a lot of hormones, right? And everything is dictated by your hormonal balance. Right now, we have more thyroid irregularities, that's the hormone here, than we've ever had. All of the blue light, apparently, is affecting our pineal and pituitary gland. We also have a hypothalamus. We have a thymus gland. These are all glands that are responsible for your hormone health. Your liver participates in this as well. Your hormone health is so critical. And unfortunately, there is no easy fix for it. People say, oh, well, if you take one of these GLP-1s, it could help balance your hormones. No, that's actually not true. You might be able to like lose some weight, which does help some things, but it's not a long-term solution, and you know it. If you want to unlock your natural fat loss without restriction or obsessing, then you really want to look at how to heal your gut.
One way you can heal your gut every day is with every meal that you eat. You just have to do one thing. It's super simple. So just get like a sauerkraut. You can actually make it at home. A little fun. It's a little project we need to actually work on. But you can add sauerkraut to every meal and incorporate 30 different kinds of fiber every week to your meals. And 30 different kinds of fiber can look super simple, like just parsley, cilantro, zucchini. I mean, those are already 3 different types of fiber. That's so simple to do and so easy. You just have to look for it at the store.
Believe it or not, you are not what you eat, but you are what you absorb. And if you're on a GLP-1 agonist, you're paralyzing your stomach. I mean it. Like the food that you ate 5 days ago is probably still in your stomach. That's why you feel sick and nauseous all the time and you might be vomiting. So you're basically starving yourself, which is terrible. And if you want to heal your gut, I'd suggest, I'm not a medical professional, but I'd suggest getting off the drug and starting to heal your hunger. Like really. For real. We thought that probiotics were the solution. In fact, I was on intravenous antibiotics for an entire year of my life, let alone the 18 years of oral antibiotics I was on, and had a whole host of issues, and I completely decimated my gut. It was such a bummer. I had IBS, I had skin issues, I had so many problems, but I've totally reversed my problems with my gut. It is a miracle, but I had to figure it out because back in the day, no one was talking about gut microbiome 30 years ago. No, I had to figure it out, and you can figure it out too. We thought probiotics were going to be the solution. They are not, come to find out. We learned from Dr. Sabine, a gut microbiome specialist, medical doctor, that all of the probiotics that she tested in her study were not effective. None of them made it all the way to the gut microbiome, which is where they're supposed to be. Can you believe that? I mean, how many thousands of dollars have I spent on probiotics for our family and myself over the years? And to know that they didn't even make it all the way to the gut, that is just something else. So the answer isn't in a pill. The answer is absolutely in your diet. And so when Penelope said sauerkraut, what she meant also was that it's made with salt. That's it. It's not the one that's made with sugar and vinegar. Okay, so when you go to the grocery store or even like some of the discount grocery stores, you see sauerkraut, that's not the one she's talking about. She's talking about the naturally fermented one. Believe it or not, these nourishing traditions have lasted for thousands of years, been used in every culture throughout time, regardless of caste, creed, religion, and it works. So why not? It's inexpensive. You can make a lot of sauerkraut with one head of cabbage, which is like $3, instead of buying one bag of naturally fermented sauerkraut for like $10. So we will be doing a series on sauerkraut. We have to, Penelope.
We have to.
Yeah, it's time.
So if you guys were like, well, I think I'm ready to make some changes, then maybe you're ready to also head up to our Substack to look at how we make those changes every day. We're making new recipes weekly for you guys, so please go support our Substack. Support our company by helping us help as many women as we possibly can by donating down below. And if you like this video, share it with someone that you think could benefit from it. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe. We will see you all the time.
If you're ready to heal your hunger once and for all, we've got you. We have a really great program that we've just created that helps you to really transition off these GLP-1s, helps you to get to the root of why the weight came on in the first place, and gives you the tools that you need to live a happy, healthy, and free life for the rest of your life.